say natin, the PhilHealth has a 500 million reserve. And the cost of to provide their services in 1 year is less than 100 billion. So their budget actually for expenditures in the 260 billion is at 100 and plus. So meron pa ring reserve. That's why I know na naabala ang tao because bakit natin pinawasan? Dahil ang katotohanan dyan ay kung tignan ninyo, kaya pinawi ng Department of Finance yung ilang reserve na naman din na naiwan dahil hindi nagamit yun ng ilang taon. In other words, the PhilHealth has sufficient budget to do all of the things that they want to do. So let's go back the last 2 years. Kung titignan ninyo, ang services na binibigay, ang treatment na pinabayaran ngayon ng PhilHealth ay nag-expand na gusto. We are taking care of many more conditions, many more. We have more dialysis patients. We are attending to more people. That's from the budget of 2023 and 2024. So patuloy, pataas. Pati yung pagpayad. Ang payments ngayon natin for cancer, for the other diseases, hundreds of percent ang increase doon sa dati. In other words, kaya ng PhilHealth ang pera niya. And the reason why is that we do not want to subsidize it is because it is the subsidy with lang doon sa bank account ng PhilHealth. Hindi magagamit. Marami tayong paggagamitan noon. So that's a simple explanation there. Is that they have sufficient funds to carry on. Because ang problema sa PhilHealth, ang problema ngayon sa PhilHealth, hindi tungkol sa pagbigay ng serbisyo. Hindi sa pagbigay ng insurance cover. Hindi yan ang problema na kulang sila sa budget kaya hindi sila nakakapag-alaga ng tao. Kulang sila sa budget kaya maliit ang bayad. Hindi yan ang problema. Ang problema, kung titignan ninyo, you look at the reports that are happening, sa dami ng bagong services ng PhilHealth, sa dami ng mga bagong payment na binibigay ng PhilHealth, nababara ang sistema. You can see there are in the provinces, merong mga tao nag-aantay buong araw yung pilit 200 tao. Nag-aantay, magka-claim sila. Hindi naman mahirap. Pero that's what's happened in PhilHealth. Yun ang problema sa PhilHealth. The problem is the processing capacity. Kaya ang naging priority, ang naging isa sa pinakamataking priority sa PhilHealth to continue to provide service, continue to provide insurance, is pag-digitalize na kayo. Patuloy kanina, that's where the effort is para lahat itong mga taong ito ma-process natin. Tuloy-tuloy naman. Tuloy pa rin ang insurance, tuloy pa rin ang bayaran ng claim. And at the same time, mabilis makuha ng tao yung kanilang insurance claim.